How to fix Paylocity app won't let me log in. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to address any login issues encountered with the Paylocity app. So first of all, begin by ensuring that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by testing the other applications that rely on the internet to see if they are working properly. If you continue to experience login problems, consider refreshing your router or opting to forget the current Wi-Fi network and reconnect to it again. Another option to troubleshoot the issue is to toggle between using the Wi-Fi and the cellular data on your device to see if that makes a difference in resolving the login issues. Check if there are any updates available for the Paylocity app in the App Store. Keeping your app up to date can often fix the bugs or the issues that may be causing the login difficulties. If the problem persists, try offloading or uninstalling the Paylocity app in your phone settings and then reinstall it. As an alternative solution, you can delete the app entirely from your device and then perform a fresh install. This can be a more thorough way of addressing any underlying issues that may be affecting the login functionality. By diligently following these steps, you should be able to successfully resolve any login problems that you are facing with the Paylocity app. So if you found this guidance beneficial, we kindly invite you to show your support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.